Hey friends, if your wireless AC9560 adapter is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Expand the list for network adapters. Now I have a different adapter here. So let us make it a generic one. I mean, it could be any wireless AC adapter. Simply try right clicking and updating the drivers. If it works well and good, right click and uninstall device, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. And if that helps, it will do the job. If not, then simply change the Wi-Fi adapter and I'll tell you how to do that. So go to amazon.com. You can choose anything. You can choose Best Buy or anything. I suggest Amazon because I can show it easily here, and search for wireless adapter. Now scroll down and ignore these ones. Try the adapters, these nano adapters like these ones, the TP-Link one. Okay, or of any brand, but it should be a nano adapter. Okay, like this one, like this one, like this QD one. So you can decide your budget and buy any adapter. All of them are approximately the same and use it. This is all you can do. I mean, if the AC adapter is not working, then you can try to update the drivers. And if the drivers don't help, then you will have to change it. This is the only solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.